According to a new report, experts say that we have until 2030 to avoid catastrophe. It also says if unprecedented changes are not made and made soon, there will be irreversible damage to the planet. The report focuses on what could happen if global temperatures rise by more than 1.5 degrees Celsius or 2.7 degrees Fahrenheit.
It would like
bad hoe, if she fucking hope you know it's for the cash flow. I got double vision, I can see straight. Fell, pop another pill, bitch, I move in silence. Yeah, they watching me, I know they tryna plot on me. I think I'm losing my mind, do the wrong things. I think I'm running out of time. Patience, I been running out of patience. Keep all of my secrets to myself so I can stay alive. They try to kill me, I ain't finished what I started. You talk so loud, got a bad mouth. Bad life, the right place at the wrong time. All the drugs you fighting me, they killing me so silently. Time is catching up to me, I can't escape. This is fate, out the way, you and I are not the same. I'm in space, you in chains, smoking on a different strain. Only walk with ace of spades, cognac and ace of pain. I just bought her, she go crazy for $1. Speak dead and that's okay, I know you mad, I'm getting paid. Blood stains on her bathroom mirror. Love games, you fell for a cheater. But she a bad hoe, if she fucking hope you know it's for the cash flow. I got double vision, I can see straight. Fell, pop another pill, bitch, I move in silence. Yeah, they watching me, I know they tryna plot on me. I think I'm losing my mind, do the wrong things. I think I'm running out of time. Patience, I been running out of patience. Keep all of my secrets to myself so I can stay alive. Fool me once, I'll cut you off. I don't need her ill, she a eater ill. Fool me twice, that's suicide, I got your life up on the line. Do you wanna make a deal with the devil, I've arrived. Pardon me, my words are slurred, this whole week has been a blur. Can't escape, I made mistakes, but I won't be forgiven, there's no happy ever after. I just had a vision and it all ends in disaster. But she a bad hoe, if she fucking hope you know it's for the cash flow. I got double vision, I can see straight. Fell, pop another pill, bitch, I move in silence. Yeah, they watching me, I know they tryna plot on me. I think I'm losing my mind, I do the wrong things. I think I'm